Today we're gonna play one match of Wreckfest. So as always, I am not good at any games. Oh, get out. As you can see, I'm already getting destroyed by every single car, which normally happens. We're playing online. Yeah, so it's been a while since I played. Oh, and I just showed that it's been a while. Not good. Oh. Oh, another hit. I really just gotta get out of here, bro. Yeah, bro, I don't really want to get hit, so my main goal is try to survive and get as many wrecks as I can. No, I see a car. Boom! T-bone. Oh, I think you're flying. There's a bunch of people. What's this dude doing? Stop! Thank you for going away. Actually, there's a bunch. Oh, there's still a bunch of cars. Ooh, that's perfect. No, I missed. I actually might have got him right there. Could have been my first wreck. Oh. Okay, I'm good. Look, I'm gonna get a couple damage. Here. Boom. Oh, I think that did more damage to me. I found the perfect target. He's literally one shot. Oh. Oh, what? No. Yes. I actually had him. It would have been over. I would have had a wreck already. In 12th place. Hopefully, I could get, like, higher up? Is that 12th? Oh, 11th? Boom! How is he not dead? Oh my, how is he not dead? Are you serious? Yes, come on. Oh my god, I'm at 1 health. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Pretty sure you can't respawn once you die, so... Oh, no, I get it. Oh, I think it might be over? Oh, I know you can respawn. Alright, good. So if I could respawn, yeah, it's better than like, I don't know, 2 minutes, and I would have been done already. Oh, okay. There's so many cars right here. I just need to get like at least one wreck. That's pretty good, and that missed, of course. Oh. Right there, boom. Okay, yeah. See, the scars are really good at turning, so, yeah, go always go crazy. Start the car, boom! No, I really did hand damage. Wait, he's super low now. Okay, oh, let's get scar search. Okay, super bad saga. I definitely not gonna wreck that guy. He's gonna wreck me. Boom! Oh, I think I did more damage to myself. Oh, yeah, I just literally ruined my entire world. See? Can you finally at least get one wreck? There's a lot of cards, a lot of them are full health, they're like almost, ooh. Okay, hold on, I'm doing more damage to me. Start to get ready. Oh my god. I'm gonna die again with 7 health. I only have a minute and like 45 seconds, so I gotta quickly get one wreck. I'm in 14th place. Well, at least I'm not last, which I guess that's kind of good. Hopefully, I don't get last and I just get one wreck. And I missed again. No, I'm not the... I'm pretty good. I've already been wrecked twice. Are you serious? Okay, hit him right there. Boom! He's so low. Oh. Me hit that car. Boom! Oh, I actually got a wreck. I went up like 30 positions. How was I kidding? I don't remember. At least I'm at 11? Oh, 12? Okay, man. I was doing good once I got that first wreck. I only minute left. Oh, I had to respawn. I'll at least get one more so I can go higher up. I think a lot of people only have one wreck. I just need to get like one more. Okay, I ran. Okay, that was a pretty bad idea. Oh, I lost 15 health. That's not good. I have 50 health right now. Oh. Pretty much get destroyed. I don't even know what I'm doing to me. Oh. Try to hit him, but as you can see, I clearly missed. Boom! Oh, I think I hurt myself more. I just ran to the hay bales. Right there. Boom! Wait, did he barely even hit them? Then he just missed it entirely. Oh, just dodged a bullet? Yeah, I missed though. I keep on doing more damage to myself. Like, yeah, I really need to get better at games. I saw a dude over there, that's pretty low. see. Oh, ouch. Well, thanks for watching. Subscribe and just know that I'm not good at any game. Bye.